How to draw on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can draw on Picsart. Firstly, open any browser and at the search bar type picsart.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach the home page of Picsart, click on that new project at the right side of the home page. And then here enter the dimension for your canvas and click on create canvas to go to the editing space. On the editing space, at the left sidebar, you will see various options to customize your canvas. Click on that draw icon resembling a brush. Here you will see different brush sizes. Here click on it and again click on that small box to customize its size. Now begin drawing on the canvas using your mouse or the touch screen. After drawing your desired picture, you can also fill in areas with color by clicking on the fill tool and selecting a color. Now to customize the brush further, click on that customize brush icon and adjusting settings like opacity, hardness, and flow. More details and colors to make your drawing look like a painting. Once you are satisfied, then click on that export button and click on download to save your drawing. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.